What's up, heroes? We have a couple new things to show you, like these. These are called Infodecs. If you interact with them and they're sparkling, you're gonna get a little reward and also some fun facts. This one has game tips, so you can go check them out, find them all over. They're scattered around the world. Here's one right here. Ooh, and another one. And remember, if they're sparkling, that's when you're gonna get a reward. The other new addition you can find at the Super City main square inside the lecture hall. This isn't a normal lecture hall. This is an awesome theater that you can bounce around in while watching one of our heroic game day cartoons or videos. Get front row seats with your friends and watch some cool cartoons.
I felt great considering I'd just been smashed by a shooting star. You're all smart. You get it by now. The shooting star gave me superpowers. And rock hard abs.